Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make my easy and delicious peach ice cream. For this recipe, I'm using 4 peaches and I already washed them, and now I'm just going to blanch them. And blanching them means just simply putting them in boiling water and then putting them in some cold water to cool down. First, I'm going to make an X on the bottom of the peaches and then carefully put them in the boiling water. The purpose of blanching your peaches is to help loosen the skin so it peels off more easily. You're going to leave them in there for 45 seconds and then take them out and put them in some ice cold water. And remember, you're not trying to cook your peaches, so don't leave them in there long. Give them a few minutes to cool off in the water, then peel them. Just look at this, look how easy the skin just peel right off. I mean, this is just so satisfying to watch. That is just perfection. In between peeling the peaches, I just like to rinse off my hands in the water because it's a little bit slippery from the peaches and you don't want to cut yourself, so make sure you do that in between. If you love peaches like I do, I have some other peach recipe on my channel. I have a peach cobbler and I also have a peach jam if you're interested. I'm going to leave the recipes linked below for you, so go check them out. They're easy and they're so good. Now I'm just going to cut the peaches into small pieces. It doesn't matter how you cut them because in the end you're going to blend them. Just be careful because the peaches are a little bit slippery. You don't want to cut yourself. Okay, now that I have all my peaches cut up, I'm going to add some sugar to it. And I'm adding 1 cup of sugar. Now this is all the sugar I'm going to be using in this recipe. So I'm just going to give it a stir and I'm going to let this macerate for 1 hour. But I'm going to come back in like 30 minutes and just give it a stir. There are many reasons for doing this, but one of the main one is that it's going to draw out the juice from the peaches, which will then create a syrup that we're going to cook on the stove later. And then it makes your peaches nice and soft, so it's going to be easy when it's time to blend it, and it will intensify the peach flavor. So you want as much peach flavor as possible. It's been 30 minutes. I just want to go in there and give it a stir. Okay, now it's been a full hour, so I'm going to give that a stir and then I'm going to drain out the juice from the peaches. I'm going to put this in my pot to drain 1 time because I want to cook it. Just let it drain for about 5 minutes. You want to get every bit of that juice out. I'm going to remove the peach and put it in my blender, and then I'm just going to set it in the refrigerator until I'm ready for it. Now this right here, I'm going to take it over to the stove and cook it. And I'm going to cook it over medium heat for about 10 minutes until it's slightly thickened. And this is going to be gold when it's finished. It's going to intensify your peach flavor in the ice cream. And the reason you want to cook it is to cook out some of the water, because you don't want your ice cream to be icy. Look at this beautiful syrup. Oh my goodness. I could just drink this. It's just so good on its own. But I'm going to let this cool down completely, and it will take about an hour and a half to cool down. It's really a process to make this ice cream, but it is worth it. I'm telling you. It is so good. Okay, it's been an hour and a half. Now we're going to get everything ready to make the ice cream. And the first thing I'm going to do is blend the peaches. Blend that for 1 minute. Okay, to my blended peaches, I'm going to add my cooled syrup. 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, 1 cup of whole milk, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Give everything a good mix. You might be wondering why I put salt in there, but salt enhances the flavor. Just as with anything you're cooking, sometimes you just need a little bit of salt to enhance the flavor. I just wanted to taste it to make sure it's good, and of course, you know, it's good. I mean, you saw everything I put in there. I just wanted to drink that whole thing. Okay, it's finally time to make the ice cream, and I have to say that felt like it took forever. But it is a little process to make this ice cream, I'm not going to lie. It is, but it's so worth it. And by the way, make sure the base of your ice cream is frozen, because you're going to run into trouble if it's not. I mean, it won't ever turn into ice cream if it's not frozen. And I'm saying that because it happened to me one time. I wasn't paying attention, and I was wondering why it's taking forever and it's not getting, to that ice cream texture that I want. So I learned my lesson. This took about 20 minutes for me in my ice cream maker. At this point, you can just go ahead and just eat some soft serve ice cream. I mean, why not? It was so good. I just love this ice cream so much. But I'm going to hold back and just eat a little bit, and then I'm going to freeze the rest overnight. Now, if you're interested, I have other ice cream flavors on my channel. I have a vanilla one, chocolate, strawberry. I have sugar cane. I have rum and raisin. And now I have this peach ice cream. I'm going to leave a little playlist below so you can check it out. But yeah, I have so many ice cream. As you can tell, I love ice cream. Okay, so this is the next day, and what you'll want to do is leave it out on the counter a little bit before you dig into it. This ice cream was just so good. The flavor of the peach is like nothing you've ever tried. I tell you, once you start making your own ice cream at home, you'll never want to buy ice cream again because it's so clean. The ingredients are clean compared to what you get when you buy ice cream, right? And the flavor, oh my gosh. Mm, it's like nothing I've ever tried before. I love this ice cream so much. I really hope you give this one a try. If you do, please come back and let me know what you think. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.